The doctors protesting in Kolkata have said that they will continue their stir. This, of course, comes just a day after there were some talks, at least the first since this deadlock between the Bengal government and the protesting doctors with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. But the doctors have now demanded the sacking of the health secretary. Now, remember, Mamata Banerjee has suspended the Kolkata police commissioner. There was a lot of, demand, and there was chorus growing for the suspension of the police commissioner there. But now the doctors say that their stir will continue till the time all their demands are met. Of course, some other demands include the live streaming of meetings and also the larger question of a central law as far as doctors' safety is concerned. But now the flashpoint seems to be the sacking of the health secretary, the top official of the health department. Let me go across to my colleague Tanushka Datta, who's covered this story extensively, in fact. So, Tanushka, important there that earlier, of course, the doctors had said that the police commissioner should be sacked, and now you have this demand for the sacking of the health secretary. The doctors seem to suggest that the health department was complicit in this entire controversy, in this entire nexus also that they claim between the police and, the authorities and the powers that be in the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital.
Right, exactly, Vedant. It's been over a month now, ever since this gruesome rape and murder happened at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Doctors all across the country, not just in West Bengal, have been protesting far and wide with respect to this issue. And in the latest, we've of course had the fifth attempt. The West Bengal Doctors Front, they met finally with the Chief Minister of West Bengal after 5 attempts. And at the fifth attempt, it was finally decided upon, after which, as we know, that the police commissioner Vineet Goyal was suspended. The DCP North Division was also suspended after he allegedly claimed to, give some money as compensation to the parents of the deceased. And what we also know is that the Director of Medical Education as well as the Director of Health Services in Kolkata have also been suspended. So these are some officials who have been suspended. However, the doctors have said that they want to continue with their strike, and their cease work will continue and go on until all of their demands are met. Now, what is this one demand that has not been met with is exactly the suspension of the health secretary. Now, the doctors are bent upon this last demand of theirs as well, where they feel that all in all, the health system of West Bengal is responsible for this rape and murder, for the lapses in the system within the hospital itself. And the West Bengal Doctors Front will also write a letter to the Chief Secretary to initiate further dialogue with the government on this issue. And they remain strong on their stance that they will not go back to work and they will not put off their protests until all of their demands are met.
All right, Tanushka, thanks very much for joining us with the latest there. So the doctors unwilling to relent, undeterred, they've been protesting on the streets of Kolkata for over a month now, and that stalemate between the government, the authorities, and of course the protesting doctors continues.